This is Jake Delano with this week's Onshape Tech Tip. Onshape's mixed modeling capability lets you integrate solid and mesh designs in the same interface to take advantage of all that today's scanning technologies have to offer. At the Part Studio level, Onshape mixed modeling allows you to create reference points on mesh geometry to interface with other components that you create. By doing operations like splitting or using the Boolean tool, this mesh engine cover can now become usable with a flat face to start the design of the clutch cover on top of it. Not only can these components be used as a reference, but they can also take advantage of the multi-part benefits that Onshape has to offer, like being able to create mounting holes that are scoped to remove material from both the solid and mesh model to prep your design for assembly. Now that the engine cover has solid faces from the hole feature, when we insert each of the components into an assembly, those mounting holes that we created earlier will create implicit mate connectors, which can have solid geometry mated to them. Not only does this allow the clutch cover to be mounted to the scan of the engine case, but you can also take advantage of Onshape's standard content library to quickly add washers and bolts that'll properly align to both the solid and mesh geometry. The assembly functionality doesn't stop at just assembling your components. You can also run Onshape's cloud-native simulation capabilities directly on these mixed models and visualize the results in real time. Now, this is just a little bit of what Onshape mixed modeling has to offer. Check it out for yourself and stay tuned for more Onshape tech tips. Thanks for watching.